Hello guys, it's SnFS right here. So somebody just asked me, what do I do when I go to the chart? What do I see and what usually makes me take a trade? So this is basically what I see. Whenever I go to the chart, this is just what I do and wait for price to come to my area of interest. So basically, this is a daily level. If you remember, I trade SnR, that is support and resistance. This is the daily level right here. So coming over here, we have the A-shaped level. This is A-shaped level. And down here, we have the V-shaped level here and here. So the daily time frame, you would know that this is the daily A level, and this is the daily A level, and this is the daily V level. So looking over right here, you see that this A level got tapped and rejected. Then the next candle came and tapped it again before pushing upward. So at this level, you are going to know that this movements have been confirmed. So it's buying upward. So getting to here, you know that price buying up here is supposed to get to this point, this A level right here, this daily A level, before trying to like reverse, before trying to sell. But look what happened here. It didn't get to this point. It didn't get to this point before trying to reverse. So for me now, I won't be looking to sell yet. I won't be looking to sell yet unless the sale is confirmed. Look at where price came to react from. It came to react from an SBR, a support now turning resistance. So as this candle is reacting from this level here, for me I won't be taking any trade because I will have to go to the 4-hour time frame to confirm. That is basically me looking for a breakout. So looking for a breakout on the 4-hour time frame. Moving over here, you can see this is the place, the level price is rejected from. Looking for a breakout here, switch to the 4-hour time frame. You can see this is where the breakout happened. This is where the breakout happened. This is where the breakout happened. I don't want to draw more lines here. This is where the breakout happened from here to here. So for me now, I will have to. These breakouts have happened. Breakout have happened. So I need to see the continuation. I need to see a confirmation that yes, this breakout that happened is valid and you can start um continue selling. So price came up here. For me, I won't be considering here and continuous price came up here and continuous selling. So now I have confirmed that, like, if you notice, it is like double higher high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So now the downward trust structure is confirmed. So for me, this is where I'll be considering to take a trade from this level now. I will just draw from this point to this next point. And if you see here now, you see that these are an SBR support that is turning to resistance. And you can see price reacted off of that level, that SBR. And this will be the beginning of my sell because now this downward movement have been confirmed. So now I will not have to sell it back down to the next daily V level. This is the daily V level that was marked. So you know that price will have to get to this place before trying to buy or continue selling. So now you just be looking for re-entry, and those re-entries must be a level. Like for me, it has to be a level from the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, this is the 4-hour time frame here. This is the first SBR. If you look closely, price tap into that level, price tap into that level and drop and drop. So for me now, today, what I was looking for, remember this move have already happened. So what I was looking for, I came to the daily, did my confirmation. The levels I saw was this 4 hour level. Let me delete this first. Okay, let me just leave it. This 4 hour level here, this another 4 hour level, which is a QM, and this another 4 hour level, which is a support that's turning resistance, SBR. If you look closely now, you see that this level is fresh. This level is fresh. Also, this level is fresh. So now we'll be using timing. So you know the timing. So you look for the one that is closer to it. Look for the timing that is closer to this level, and also pair it with trend line to get a, like, to know where to actually consider. So firstly, this level is so far. It's too far because I trade New York session. This level is too far. This next level now and this current one, that's what I'll be considering. So let's go to the lower time frame. The lower time frame, 1 hour time frame. So going to a 1 hour time frame, let me just cancel these and these. 1 hour time frame right here. I don't know if you guys will be seeing this thing very well. But 1 hour time frame right here, as you can see, this is that QM level, which is also an A-shaped level. That is like a resistance level here. And where is the other one? This is that RBS, resistance that is turning support. So I can see it's fresh, and this one is fresh. So now, using timing now, you are going to know that this is the level. This is the level that price is likely to come to. It does not mean it can't come here. It might and can come here, but you just have to consider the levels. So now is to look for a trend line. I don't want to start looking for trend line. This video is going to be long, but you know the basics of trend line: first touch, second touch, third touch, drop. So I don't want to, I really don't want this video to be long at all. But let me just put this trend line. This trend line is like going to be the last thing I'll be looking for here. Just want it to be like fast. So this is a trend line here, a valid trend line. First touch, second touch, third touch right here, and drop. So let's see. As you can see right here, this is the trend line. This trend line got triggered, like got tapped into. This trend line now got tapped into. On this trade, I did not hit SL here, but when price came to this point now, I set break even at around here. That is when this candle came up, took me out. If not, I would have been in profit. So now this is currently Asian section. What I'm looking for is like a re-entry. And I remember I'm on the 1 hour time frame. For me to get a level or consider a level, I have to like see it somewhat on a 4 hour time frame. Moving to a 4 hour time frame here, you see there's nothing here. But look here, there's a QM here now. This is a QM, yes, and this is like SBR. That is support turning resistance. And it's also good to journal your trade, because if you remember, this is what happened here. This AQM and this an SBR was like contemplating which one to pick, but price came for this one. So using time now, Asian time, you are going to check, is it this one or this one? But this case was different because the gap was like too much, the SM placement. But if you look over here, if I pick this level, this level now, my SL will cover this level. But if I pick this level now, price might come and it will not get to that place. So it's just better I pick, since they are very close. It's better I just pick this level, then cover the other level with my SL. And for me, for Euro USD, I usually use 7 pip. So if I place my 7 pip to be on a safer zone, you see that it's covering it. So these two levels now, these two very valid level now, they are here, and my, like, if I place my SL, it's all right. But also remember, refinement is also good. So this small level here, this small line here is my refinement. I don't know if price will just come and get to this point, but I, since my 7 pip is going to go to get to that level, I just place it like that instead of trying to reduce it to 5 pip. Instead of trying to reduce it to 5 pip. So this video is getting too long. So here, this is the refinement I'm talking of on a 1 hour. These two levels now are 4 hours. So let's refine it. To get refinement, this level here, QM level. This is the level here, QM level. So it would have been better to cover here, but let me just leave it at this QM level to avoid missed entry or mystery. So this is the level I'm picking, but price might consider coming for this. You get, price might consider coming for this, but if it comes there, then I'll be losing the trade. So with basically what I've said here, let me check into another pair. I'll be very fast on this one. So it's just like a checklist. Go to daily, know where, like, the market direction, if it's buying or selling. How do you know if it's buying or selling? Is to check which one is reacting from the key level, the support level or the standard level. Coming over here, first step to know your market direction. This is A level, this is A level, this is V level, this is support, this is resistance. So now, what are we seeing? Price is coming from this support, that is buying. See this huge volume, you know that it's buying. And where is it going to? It's going to resistance level here. So now we have seen that it has buy up to this extent. Let's look for where to enter to continue the buy. Moving to a 4 hour time frame, which is what you have know that this market is trying to buy. So now let's confirm, is he really buying? Is he actually buying? Is he really true that he's buying? So look at this huge movement now. You're going to know that yes, this is actually buying. So now, where do I enter from? I was considering entering from this level. Why? Because this is a key level, which is resistance that has been broken. Now it's trying to turn support. Why am I picking this level? Because it's on a 4 hour, which is considered a very strong level. So now this is supposed to enter at this point, but for me, I trade New York session. See this entry here now you're seeing is London session. I just stopped trading London session. So now we have gotten our level. We have confirmed the direction. We have gotten strong level from 4 hour time frame. Let's say this two candle have not happened yet. Just a break. So what we'll be expecting is a retest. So going to a lower time frame, we have gotten a break. Let's look for a retest. Now we are just assuming this candle have not come here. We are assuming that candle have not come here yet. We're just assuming that price broke here. So now what are we waiting for? A rejection backward, tapping to the level and upward movement. Now see what price did. Price came to this point. You can see. If you use your timing now, you're going to know that price came to tap at that exact timing. So that is it. Using the timing, this is your level. Using timing, you set your order. You can see this. Normally, as price is coming, you can just set your order to take the buy, or you can use confirmation, which is first candle, second candle. These are form a support now. Third candle, tap into the support now, like this very high confirmation entry. See the push upward. This is London session. Then for me now, New York session trader, I have seen this is a support that got rejected. This is a support. Look, this is a 4 hour level. This is a number one confluence. It came and create another 1 hour level, which is a good confluence. 1 hour level that got rejected, another good confluence. Then I place my limits here, but unfortunately, price didn't really come for me. Price didn't really come for me. So I place my limits here, then put my SL this below this candle here. Usually my this SL should have been more than this, but I just pick the level, put the SL below here. So that is literally how I did this analysis and missed this trade. But as you can see, everything went as desired. So this is just basically what I usually look out for. This is what I look out for when I come to the chart. So whether you're trading London session or New York session, whichever one goes well. First, your checklist. Go and confirm the bias where is, like confirm the trend, uptrend or downtrend, buying trend or selling trend. Now go to 4 hour, look for a key level to enter from. Look for a key level to enter from. You have seen a key level. Go to a lower time frame, that's a refinement. Go to 1 hour to check if there is a lower level, like on the 1 hour that is not too far from that 4 hour level. Once you get it refinement, you draw confirmation, which is trend line, timing. That's just where you add all your confirmation, trend line, timing, and you set your limits and watch as the trade goes. It's SnR here. I hope you find this video very helpful. Please do well to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.